Hello everyone, welcome back you all in my online video classes. Dear students, I am here with class 10th mathematics, chapter 3rd, pair of linear equations in two variables, and today we are going to start new exercise 3.6. Right? So students, exercise 3.6 is here, and we have to reduce the given pair of equations to a pair of linear equations. Right? In this exercise we will solve the questions based on the equations which can be reduced to a pair of linear equations. Okay, so here first question is, solve the following pairs of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. So dear students, यहाँ पर हमारे पास pair of equation given है, but we have to reduce it to a pair of linear equations and then we have to solve them, right? So let us solve first part of first question. Question number 1, first part is 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2, and second equation is given here, 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y is equal to 13 upon 6. Okay, we can consider them as equation 1 and equation 2. So we have this here pair of equations. We can reduce it to a pair of linear equations. So हम यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं कि 1 upon x दोनों इक्वेशंस में, 1 upon y दोनों इक्वेशंस में, right? So we can putting 1 upon x as in the form of another variable like u, and 1 upon y is equal to v. Then equation 1 and 2 becomes 1 upon x is u, so it will become u upon 2 plus 1 upon y is v, so it will be v upon 2 is equal to 2, and here it is u upon 3 plus v upon 2 is equal to 13 upon 6. We can further solve them. It is here 3 actually, v upon 3. We will take LCM. Okay, it will be 6 and it will be here 3u plus 2v. 3u plus 2v is equal to 2, and the final equation will be what? 3u plus 2v, and 6 into 2 will be 12 is equal to 12. So this is our equation. Okay, and similarly we can solve this equation here. So LCM will be 6 and it will be 2u plus 3v is equal to 13 upon 6. We can cancel 6 by 6, right? And finally the equation will be here 2u plus 3v is equal to 13. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो ये हमारे पास आ गया पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस. वी कैन कंसिडर दैम एज इक्वेशन 3rd and equation 4. Now we can solve these two equations by any one algebraic method. So let us solve them by elimination method. We have to solve equation third by 2 and equation fourth by 3, because we have to make the coefficient of one of the variable numerically equal. Okay, so we can write here equation third multiply by 2, okay, minus, this is minus equation 4 multiply by 3, we have to multiply the whole equation third by 2. So we will get here 3 2 ja 6u plus 2 2 ja 4v is equal to 12 2 ja 24. Okay, and we have to multiply fourth equation by 3. So 3 2 ja 6u plus 3 3 ja 9v is equal to 13 3 ja 39. Okay, so now we will change the sign, minus minus minus. This will cancel, one variable will be eliminated. Okay, and it will be here 4v minus 9v will be minus 5v is equal to 39 minus 24 will be how much? 15 of minus 15. Now v will be equal to minus 15 over minus 5, minus will cancel with minus, 5 3 ja 15, and the value of v is 3. Okay, now we will put v is equal to 3 in any one equation out of third and fourth. So we will put in equation third, we get 3u plus 2 into the value of v is here 3 is equal to 12. So it will be 3u plus 6 is equal to 12, and 3u is equal to 12 minus 6, which is equal to 6, and finally the u will be equal to 6 upon 3. 3 2 ja 6, and it implies the value of u is equal to 2. But students, we have to find the values of x and y actually. So we will put now the value of v here and u here. Okay, now 1 upon x is equal to 2, and 1 upon y is equal to v, and the value of v is 3, because 1 upon x is equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v. So we have to put now the values of u and v here. Okay, we will get x will be equal to here 1 upon 2, and y will be here 1 upon 3. So x 1 upon 2 and y 1 upon 3 is the required answer of first question, first part of first question. Okay, now we have given here 8 parts in all. All questions are similar. We have to consider that like here 1 upon root x is equal to u and 1 upon root y is equal to v, and we can solve it as it is. So similarly students, you have to solve all parts. Let us do one more part of this question as part number 8. Okay, we have given here 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4, and 1 upon 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. So students, here we will take it as question is here, question number 1, 8th part. Okay, so here it is 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4 and 1 upon 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 into 3x minus y. 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Minus 1 upon 8. So students, here we are observing this part 1 upon 3x plus y and 1 upon 3x plus y. We can consider it as variable u, and here 1 upon 3x minus y and 1 upon 3x minus y. So it is common in both, so we can consider let 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to u, and this is first equation, this is second equation, and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to v. Okay, so the equation will be reduced to, it will be u, it means we can write from 1 and 2 we get, it will be u plus v. U plus v is equal to 3 upon 4. Okay, and it will be here 1 u upon 2, because 2 is here, so u upon 2 minus v upon 2. V upon 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 8. On solving this equation further, we will get, we can multiply by 4 by here, so it will be 4 into u plus v is equal to 3, right? It will be here 8 into u by 2 minus v by 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 8. The final equations will become 4u plus 4v is equal to 3. It becomes equation number 3rd, and it will be equal to, because we will multiply 8 inside, so we will get here as, it implies it as 4u minus 4v is equal to 8 will be cancelled, it will be not here because we have shift 8 to the left side, so it will be here minus 1, and this is our equation number 4. Okay, so now we have to solve equation 3rd and 4th. We can, because it is here 4v of plus and 4v of minus, so we can simply add them, adding 3rd and 4th. We get, so we get here, it will be here 4u plus 4v is equal to 3, 4u minus 4v is equal to -1. Okay, so in case of addition we have no need to change the sign. 4u plus 4u will be this will cancel, and 4u plus 4u will be 8u is equal to 3 minus 1 2. The value of u is 2 upon 8, and the value of u will be equal to 1 upon 4. Okay, and putting the value of u is equal to 1 upon 4 in equation third, we will get here 4 into 1 by 4, because the value of u हमें यहाँ पर रखना है, plus 4b is equal to 3, so it will cancel 4 by 4 and it will be 1 plus 4b is equal to 3. 4b will be equal to 3 minus 1, that is 2, and finally the value of b will be 2 upon 4, which will be 1 by 2. Okay, so these are the values of u and v, and we have to substitute them here. Okay, now 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to u, and the value of u is 1 by 4, and here 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to v, and the value of v is 1 by 2. We can solve them again by taking reciprocal. Okay, it will be 3x plus y is equal to 4, and 3x minus y is equal to 2. We can take them as equation 5th and equation 6th. We can solve them easily on adding 5th and 6th, because here plus y and minus y with same numerical coefficient 1 and with opposite sign, so we can add them, and we will get 3x plus y is equal to 4, and 3x minus y is equal to 2. In case of addition, y will be cancelled, 3x plus 3x is equal to 6x is equal to 4 plus 2 6, and it gives us the value of x is equal to 6 upon 6. Okay, and x is equal to 1. Okay, on putting the value of x equal to 1 in 5th equation. Okay, we will put the value of x 1, हम x की वैल्यू यहाँ पुट कर देंगे 5th में, तो हमारे पास y की वैल्यू आ जाएगी, तो 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4, and 3 into 1 3 plus y is equal to 4, and finally the value of y is 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. So hence the value of y is 1 and the value of x is 1 is our answer. Okay students, तो ये था हमारा 8th पार्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, एक्सरसाइज 3.6. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपने जो बचे हुए पार्ट्स हैं उनको खुद से सॉल्व करना है. ओके, एंड इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट इन एनी पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन, you can ask me on WhatsApp or Google Meet. Now we have second question here. Formulate the following problems as a pair of equations and hence find their solutions. तो हमारे पास यहाँ पर 3 प्रॉब्लम्स गिवन है. ओके, 3 वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स. So these problems, first of all we have to formulate them as a pair of equations and then we have to find their solution. So students, first part is given here. Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. So students, this question is very important from exam point of view. Let us solve it. First of all, first of all we will start question number second. First part, we will assume let Ritu's speed in still water. Okay, let Ritu's speed in still water. हम कितना मान लेते हैं इसको, x किलोमीटर पर आवर. डियर स्टूडेंट, ये क्वेश्चन आपने बहुत ध्यान से समझना है कि लेट रितुज स्पीड इन स्टिल वाटर कितना है, x किलोमीटर पर आवर. ओके, एंड लेट स्पीड ऑफ द करंट, let speed of current. Dear student, here current means the speed of water, flowing water. Okay, speed of current is y kilometer per hour. Right now, during downstream, जब पानी के बहाव के साथ साथ स्विम करती है तो क्या होगा, वहाँ पर स्पीड दोनों की ऐड हो जाएगी. स्पीड ऑफ रितु स्पीड इन स्टिल वाटर एंड स्पीड ऑफ करंट. ओके, देन स्पीड विल बी ऐड. ओके, स्पीड विल बी x plus y किलोमीटर पर आवर, किलोमीटर पर आवर. एंड ड्यूरिंग अपस्ट्रीम, ओके, तो वहाँ पर स्पीड क्या हो जाएगी, माइनस. ड्यूरिंग अपस्ट्रीम द स्पीड विल बी इक्वल टू माइनस, मीन्स स्पीड ऑफ रितुज इन स्टिल वाटर माइनस स्पीड ऑफ करंट. स्पीड माइनस हो जाएगी. ओके, किलोमीटर पर आवर. Now according to question, so first condition is given here. First condition is Ritu can row downstream 20 kilometer in 2 hours. So it is distance and it is time, and speed is equal to distance upon time, and we can put the speed during downstream. Okay, so it will be x plus y is equal to distance is 20 kilometer and time taken is 2 hours. So we can just formulate it as x plus y is equal to 10, and let it is equation number 1. Second condition, is here. During upstream, distance traveled is 4 km and time is given 2 hours. And upstream speed is what, x minus y. So speed calculated is equal to given, we will calculate the speed by given distance and time. तो distance is 4 km and time is 2 hours. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपने याद रखना है कि ये भी हमारी स्पीड है और ये भी हमारी स्पीड है. ये हमारे पास जो डिस्टेंस और टाइम दिया हमने उससे फाइंड आउट किया है, और ये हमारे पास अपने एजम्पशन के अकॉर्डिंग हमने फाइंड आउट किया है. ओके, दोनों को इक्वेट करेंगे और तब जाकर इसका सॉल्यूशन आएगा. सो इट विल बी x माइनस वाई इज इक्वल टू, वी कैन कैंसल 4/2, वी विल गेट हियर 2. दिस इज अवर सेकेंड इक्वेशन. नाउ वी कैन सॉल्व इक्वेशन 1 एंड इक्वेशन 2 वेरी इजीली. So now here adding question 1 and 2, we get x plus y is equal to 10 and x minus y is equal to 2. We can add them very easily. Variable y will cancel and x plus x is 2x and 10 plus 2 is 12. So here x will be 12/2 and finally the value of x will be 6. Okay, and to find the value of y we have to put x is equal to 6 in 1, we get the value of variable y, so we will put the value of x here. It will be 6 plus y is equal to 10 and y is equal to 4. 10 minus 6, y will be equal to 4. Hence we can write Ritu's speed, okay, in still water. Speed of Ritu in still water is equal to x, so it is 6 km per hour. 6 km per hour. And speed of current is y kilometer, and we can see it here. Speed of current is y kilometer per hour, so we can take it as 4 km per hour. This is our answer. Okay, so it was first part of second question. Similarly, we can solve other two parts. Let us solve one more part. This question is again very important. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by 1 man alone. So this question is very important. हमें समझना है कि 2 वुमेन और 5 मैन एक साथ मिलकर किसी एम्ब्रॉयडरी वर्क को 4 दिन में कर सकते हैं, जबकि 3 वुमेन एंड 6 मैन कैन फिनिश द सेम वर्क इन 3 डेज. तो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है कि 1 वुमेन एलोन कितने टाइम में उस काम को फिनिश करेगी एंड 1 मैन एलोन उस काम को पूरा करने में कितना टाइम लेगा. ओके, सो लेट अस सॉल्व सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. Second part, let time taken by 1 woman to finish the work. Okay, let time taken by 1 woman to finish the work. 1 woman to finish the work. To finish the work is equal to x days. Okay, and time taken by 1 man to finish the work is equal to y days. Okay, so time taken by 1 woman to finish the work we have taken here x days, and for 1 man y days, right? So according to question, now our first condition is here. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days. So 2 women and 5 men in 4 days. So we can take it as because time taken by 1 woman to complete the work is x days, so work done by 1 woman in 1 day. Okay, हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे 1 डे में किया गया काम तो कितना होगा, 1/x हो जाएगा हमारे पास. ओके, कितना हो जाएगा 1/x. और कितनी वोमेन कर रही है, मतलब यहाँ पर हमारे पास दिया है, ध्यान से देखो आप. टाइम टेकन बाय 1 वोमेन टू फिनिश द वर्क x days. ओके, सो द वर्क डन इन 1 डे विल बी 1/x. एक दिन में किया गया काम कितना होगा 1/x. Okay, so it will be here 2 upon x plus how many men are here, 5 men, 5 upon y इज इक्वल टू कितने डेज लिए 4, तो 1 डे का काम कितना होगा 1 अपॉन 4। इस इक्वेशन को आपने ध्यान रखना है बिकॉज हम यहाँ पर ले रहे हैं वर्क डन इन 1 डे। ओके, तो इक्वेशन हमारे पास इस ढंग से बन जाएगी। इट विल बी फर्स्ट इक्वेशन एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू सेकेंड कंडीशन, okay, 3 women and 6, so 3 upon x plus 6 upon y is equal to time taken is 3 days, 1 upon 3. This will be second equation. So dear student, we have to solve these two equation, as we can take we can put the variable 1 upon x is equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to, because 1 upon x 1 upon x, 1 upon y 1 upon y is equal to v. We get 2u, okay, plus 5v is equal to 1 upon 4, and here it will be 3u plus 6v is equal to 1 upon 3. Right, on solving it further we will get 4 into this all, 8u plus 20v is equal to 1, and 9u plus 18v is equal to 1. Okay students, so it implies this. So equation third and equation 4 will be this. Okay, so we have here pair of equations and pair of linear equation. We can solve them very easily by multiplying equation third multiply by the variable 9 and minus equation 4 multiply by numerical coefficient 8. Okay, and we get equation third, we have to multiply the whole equation by 9. So 9 8 ja 72u plus 20 into 9 will be 180v is equal to 9, and here we have to multiply the equation 4 whole by 8. So 8 9 ja 72u plus 18 8 ja 144v. Okay, it will be here 1 into 8 8. Right, we are subtracting here, so sign will change, minus minus minus. Okay, this will eliminate, and 180v minus 144v, it will be here 6. Okay, and 7 minus 4 3. Right, 36v is equal to 1, and v is equal to 1 upon 36. We can put the value of v is equal to 1 upon 36 in 1/3. We have to put in equation third. Okay, or we can put it very easily in equation 4, because 36 can be easily cancelled by 18. So 9u plus 18 into the value of v is 1 upon 36, so 1 upon 36 we have put substitute in equation 4 is equal to 1. So 18 to the 36, 9u is equal to 1 minus, this is 1 by 2, and it will be here 9u is equal to 2 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2, and 9u is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, it implies finally u is equal to 1 upon 2 into 9, and the value of u is our 1 upon 80. Okay, but we have to find the value of x and y, so we will put the value of v and u here. We can put now 1 upon x is equal to u is equal to 1 upon 18, and it implies the value of x is 18. Okay, and 1 upon y is equal to 1 upon 36, so it implies the value of y is equal to 36. Hence our answer will be, hence time taken by one woman to finish the work, x days. So we can write it as, hence time taken by one woman to finish the work is equal to x days, so it is equal to 18 days, and time taken by one man to finish the work is equal to y days, so it is 36 days. So dear student, ये थे हमारे part 1 and part 2 of second question, and third question is again very simple. Ruhi travels 300 km to her home partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and remaining by bus, and if she travels 100 km by train and the remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of train and the buses separately. So dear students, here we have to consider it as speed of bus is equal to speed of train is equal to x kilometer, and speed of bus is equal to y kilometers per hour. Okay, and similarly we have given here time, so we can find the time also by using the concept of distance and speed. So distance upon speed is equal to time, so we have given here time, so we have made the equation of time like that. It will be first equation 60 upon x plus 240 upon y will be equal to 4 hours. Okay, similarly you will make for the second condition. So you can solve this third part of second question by yourself. This exercise is very important, and if you have any doubt anywhere, you can ask me on WhatsApp or Google Meet. So students, with it chapter 3rd has been finished. So practice more and more, that's all.